because I got to hook up the battery and everything.
Okay.
But let me, you can get this first part here.
Okay.
So go ahead, you can start recording.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So this is a soldier. We got 350 feet of hose right here.
Okay.
This orange hose, this is your leader hose.
Leader. Okay.
So when this is down in the sewer, as soon as you see that orange hose coming out, you need to cut your unit off.
Okay.
All right, right
Perfect.
here is your gauge.
Okay.
This is your on and off valve right here.
On and off.
Yeah, we're gonna go back over this, but I
Okay,
just want to
perfect.
show it to you. This is your
Okay.
on and off valve right here.
Okay.
Okay. The other important thing is you got an automatic stop right here.
Automatic
Okay.
stop.
So right
Okay.
now, if you try to crank this thing up, it won't crank up.
Okay.
Because it's in the stop position. That's what they
Got
do.
you.
You see that?
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So if I hit this stop, boom, it cuts off automatically. If you go back to try to start, it's not going to cut on until you do this.
Exactly. Perfect.
All right. The other thing where it won't start is your low water. Up front there, and I'll show it to you, you got a low water switch. So if the water has come down, your unit cuts completely off. So
Okay,
if I'm
safety
jetting,
thing, okay.
exactly. So once that water comes off, over it, it'll come back on again. Now I
Okay.
can't override it right here.
Okay.
All right, and we'll go over all of this here. You got 3 switches here. Pulsation, when you hit this here and it's running, it gives the hose like this here.
Exactly.
So it eases down the pipe a little bit better.
Exactly.
Right here is the remote. You don't have a remote. You can add it on later.
Okay.
This
Perfect.
here's your water, so you're going to turn your water on when it's engaged, and your water be coming out here.
Okay.
Right here is your gauge for your water tank.
Water tank.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it'll show you exactly where your water is. Right now, it's no water on there.
Of course. Okay.
All right. This is your override switch. When I'm turning it on, I can press that.
Okay.
Right here is where my key go in. Right here is where my foot pedal, so I can use both hands on this here, and we'll go over that.
Okay.
This here is a as far as your hose itself, your rewind. So it lets you go really fast or really slow.
Okay.
So starting off, you want to go really slow
Of
because this
course.
thing takes off on you.
Okay.
Okay. This here, I'll hold this in, and it'll rewind.
Gotcha.
Okay. With this here, now I got both use of my hands, and we'll show you those parts and everything.
Okay.
Okay. Now. This is your toolbox, and you got a couple sets of keys here. Now this is locked. Comes open, turn. All right. So once real quickly here, you get a open and close nozzle. This is what comes with it.
Okay.
Open and close. One has a hole that the water shoots out like this. All nozzles has back orifices. They go back like that. That's what
Yes.
drives the hose in there. Okay. All right. In your toolbox, you might as well go over this here. You get a wash down gun.
And well, we have a pressure washer.
So you know about this here.
Yes.
I'll show you exactly how this works. Okay, these are your instructions in here on your engine and everything, and also your keys. All right.
Okay. So the other keys. That
Right. So your other keys are in there. That'll go in there. But and you got 2 rings there, so I would have one that goes with the truck. The other one stays with you or somebody in
Okay.
case somebody loses it or something like that.
Okay.
And you got another key for the toolbox itself.
Okay. Perfect.
This is a list that's broken down with everything that comes with it.
Okay.
And what we recommend is that after 50 hours, and I'll show you where the hour tank is, that's on your oil, on your engine, break it down like any engine thing and change your oil and stuff like
Well,
that.
that was one of our questions for a little later. Maintenance and all that
Your
stuff.
maintenance and everything.
Yes.
Other than that, it's very little maintenance to do on it.
Okay.
For your main
You
maintenance,
said 50,000.
50 hours.
50 hours.
Yeah,
Okay.
50.
50 hours. Okay. Yeah. Too much, huh?
50,000, yeah. We all be dead.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Cada 15, cada cuántas horas?
50. 50 hours.
Hay que el change de
The
tunar.
oil.
Yeah.
But that's it. Okay.
Mhm.
There's a gear pump under there. You literally never have to change your oil in the gear pump. That's the gear oil. Pull your stick out once or twice a year to make sure it's at the level.
Okay. Now, how do we know how many hours has the machine run?
I'll show it to you.
That's in there. Okay.
Yeah, I'll show it
Perfect.
to you.
Okay.
So virtually, other than maintenance on there, is very little.
Very
Where your
little
real maintenance is come in the wintertime.
in the winter
When you
time.
take this thing out, and then we'll go over all of that.
Yes.
Okay? All right. Couple things here. You get a 75 feet of small 1/4-inch hose.
Okay.
So in a smaller line, I actually can go in there. All right?
Okay.
The way I do it, I got a quick connector here.
Okay.
Now, my water hose here goes under here. All right? So all my controls here, so I got 300 feet that I can walk inside a place with this 75 footer. All my controls are right here. All right?
Beautiful.
Now, one thing I'll show you that's important is that I want to take this lock off this when I'm using this hose, because what happens on this here, this thing builds up a lot of pressure.
Okay.
And that hose does this here. So if it's locked in, I over a period of time, you'll break that little pin in there.
Okay.
So I said leave it off, and the reel will just rock back and forth
Okay.
itself. So we'll go over that. All right, but that's the way that goes on, and we'll go back over this here again.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Let's go.
We call this the tiger tail. Okay.
So I have
Yeah.
seen this before.
Now you don't have to use it every time, but let's see, I'm down in a sewer. I'm going in like that. The top of the lip of the sewer is broken. All right. So if my hose go through there, I'm coming up this way. My hose is going to come up like that.
Exactly.
So I'm scraping my hose and everything. But if I drop this down there at the beginning, now when I'm coming up, my hose is coming through here.
Exactly.
So now
It's not gonna get
I'm
scratched.
not scraping up my hose and everything.
Okay.
I don't have to use it every time, but when I'm in the sewer down there, when I'm
Yes.
coming up like that, put it on there.
When there's
Okay.
clean out, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
clean up.
exactly, exactly. Couple things here. This you won't be using all the time, but now if I get into an 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch line, which
Okay.
it can go up to, and you won't be doing it all the time. Now with this hose here, and with the regular nozzle going through there, it could go up the lateral.
Okay.
All right. With this on there, it's going to prevent it from going up the lateral.
Okay.
All right. So you're not going to use this every day, but if you get into large sewers, you
Yes.
want to put your nozzle on here.
Okay.
Because if I'm going in a line that has laterals, I won't go
Yes.
up it.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Mhm.
This little thing can be a problem sometime. All right. This is what I use for my
Hose.
fill hose here.
Mhm.
And there's no way to connect this. If I drill a hole here and hang it here, it's gonna do like this here.
Yeah.
All right. I had a guy do this one time. Oh, I got a fix for it. He drilled a hole here, tapped it in there, and drilled the thing down there. So
Okay.
he hit it in there, and guess what? Water came out. So don't
Oh,
do that.
I was about to do that.
Yeah, don't do that.
No holes.
So
no
no
holes
holes here.
This
Okay.
thing, and I didn't even know that.
Okay.
This has been years ago. So he said, Herb, I got a leak. I said, where is it? He just got the unit. So I go out there, and it's coming. I said, what's going on? I pull this off, and where you had drilled, that water's coming out of there.
Oh, so that's open.
Yeah.
Got it.
So
Okay.
paint
Ah,
this thing
I see it,
orange
okay.
or red or something like that.
Yes.
For no forget it.
Yeah.
But you won't forget it.
Okay.
I've lost probably 12 of these.
Yes.
Because I leave it on there. Once you finish up,
Of
you're not
course.
going to forget it.
Of
If you have it
course.
orange on there, when you check it around, oh,
Yeah.
You gotta remove it.
Anda,
Yep.
hay que pintarlo para que
yeah.
no se-
So paint it like this color or this color.
Perfect.
When you're at night, or even in the day, that thing comes on.
Okay. Is that battery power, my guess?
Battery power.
Okay.
I think,
Right.
open that up. I think you got to,
Check it out.
With batteries?
yeah, no, the batteries are in there. I think you just got to take it off. Take
Take
the
off a
tape.
little. Maybe this? No. Oh no.
No, no. Let's see. The
Maybe
tape
they
on
want a
there.
little paper or something.
Yeah, I thought that was
There's a
on there
switch
normally.
Maybe that switch?
There we go.
No. Doesn't look like.
Should be it.
No.
Is that a switch? Let me put it back to there. All right.
Oh,
Yeah,
there it is.
Yeah.
It was there for a second. There we
There it
go.
is.
There we
All
go.
right.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna turn that thing back off again.
And that has to be there at all times, you think?
In the night.
No.
At night.
It's just just like you guys have cones.
Yes.
This is just a caution.
So
people
we're
see
like
it.
on the street or something.
Yeah, so if you're on the street, you
Yeah.
put it on this side here, you have your cones so people can see.
Yes.
Okay? Now, although that's magnet, take it off.
Yes. You don't want to
Right.
leave it there while you run the vehicle.
All right, this baby here, remember we talked about both use of hands? Right here. And I'll do it once we connect that because I got to connect the battery up. Now, this is just like your machine. Instead of using this, I'm using this now. So now I got both use my hands.
Ah,
And I'll show
smart.
you that, okay? We'll do that. If for some reason that this rewind ever stops on you, you have a hand, you have this here. Let's go right here. Now, 300 feet or so.
Yes, tie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that's for winding this back. That's what this is for. All right? This little thing comes in handy. This is my fill hose. So I'll hook this up to a garden hose coming out the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's say if I got another house I can hook up to too. This here, I can go right in here. Take this. This is for a hydrant hose, but you know, unless you got the city, you ain't gonna be able to use it. But I can go this here, and I can hook up a regular hose here.
Perfecto.
Okay?
Yeah. For put the water.
Yeah, right. So I can do it this way or either this way. All right.
Go ahead.
All right. Now, we're gonna leave this here back here and I gotta go over everything else again because we gotta go over this here,
Yes.
this here, but I gotta hook up the battery.
Okay.
So see that hook right there? Follow me up here. Go to that side.
Okay. Nigga. Boom. Perfect.
Okay?
Okay.
Let it down. Okay. Your gas tank is on that side over there.
Gas tanque.
Yeah. I think we got gas in there for you. Got that full tank for you. Regular gas.
Regular.
Regular.
Regular gas.
Okay.
This is your antifreeze tank.
Antifreeze tank.
Okay, so you see it's about half filled because what they do, they do the antifreeze at the plant here.
This anti-free. This is anti-free.
Yeah. Now this is a pink antifreeze, which is an RV.
Okay.
So it's safe to the environment. In
Okay.
case an inspector come out
Yes.
and say, what is this here? Is leaking here? You can say this
Right.
is the pink RV,
Okay.
what motorhomes use, and it's environmentally friendly.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Your battery.
Okay. Anti-free gris, pin. ¿Qué dijo la marca?
RB, is that right?
RV.
RB.
Arby.
The RV. If you go to any hardware auto store, they have this here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine, I'll have to
This is
order
good to like 50 degrees. All right. Let's walk on this other side.
But that's good onto 50 degrees, you said?
50 below. I'm sorry.
Oh, minus 50.
Minus 50.
Minus 50, okay.
Okay.
Only 50? Yeah, that's not too cold.
Yeah.
That's not too cold.
Okay. I'm trying to see. Okay. Here it is. Here. All right. If you come here when it's closed down, right here.
Sorry.
Look right through there. You see your hour meter. See the little tab right
I
there?
see that, yep.
That's
Just
the hour meter.
34 or 34 something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's your hour meter. All right. I'll go over a couple things here.
Make sure you record this, please.
This is your filter cup, okay? When you get in certain areas, you see it's pink there, but that's because it's antifreeze in there.
Okay.
Certain areas where you got bad water, if you look at it, the water should be clear, but if you see a lot of stuff floating around in there, dump this out and clean the filter in there.
Okay.
All right? So the way you do it, you shut this valve off. This is your main valve here. This shut off right now. So if my tank is filled, it allow just the water that's in there. And clean that, and I can turn this here, and fresh water will come out, and I can wash my filter off.
Okay.
All right. Now, when I antifreeze, if I don't get this color in here, normally what I do, this is cut off, and I'll dump whatever water is in there.
Okay.
This is gonna be my freeze point, because when I ever see guys that have problem in the wintertime, this is where it freezes up. Here, this will pop, this will crack right in here.
Okay.
All right, this is
Gotcha.
your freeze point.
Okay.
Okay. Right now I'm in the antifreeze mode.
Okay.
This thing here, see the pipe goes up there to that tank?
Yes.
So I allowed my antifreeze to come in here.
Okay.
When you're in the jetting mode, it's gonna be like that. Then this is gonna be on.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
This is off. This is
So
just
you're
a dump
turning
valve.
off the antifreeze and turning on the
Right.
water to the tank.
Right. So, other words, this is my dump valve. If I open this up, antifreeze will come out.
Yep. Only antifreeze. No
Yeah.
antifreeze with water or just antifreeze?
Just antifreeze.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
The antifreeze them like that all the time.
Okay.
So basically, this is antifreeze. This is going to be on.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be off like this here, and then when I run it, what it's going to do, it's going to force the antifreeze back up in there. Okay.
But
When-
that has to be shut off.
Shut off. And just for you. So when I'm jetting, this is always going to be off.
Okay.
This is going to be open.
That's going to be open.
This is your main valve.
Exactly.
Okay. So the only time you're going to see it like this here is when the antifreeze is on there. So in the
Okay.
wintertime, once you leave a job, it's going to be like this, on and off. And I'll show you up front the way we're doing it.
Perfect.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right here is your gear oil. This is a pump. This is what generates the pressure.
The pressure.
There's a little ring right here.
Okay.
If you look at my finger, yeah, right here, right where my hand is, I'll push it up. There's a little ring. In that ring, I can pull it out, and then I can look at my gear oil to see exactly where it's at.
Okay.
Once a year, twice a year, you can put your hand all the way back over here, like this here.
Oh, there's
and
a
you'll be
ring.
able-
I see the
There's a
ring.
ring. You can pull it up, pull it out if you want. Get a chance to see where the gear oil is.
Put up.
Yep. Just pull it, you said, right?
Yeah, just pull it up.
Oh, okay. A ver el aceite de esto.
Yeah,
Okay.
you see the line? You see the line in there?
Yep.
See the line on
Okay,
it?
Axel.
Yeah, don't let him drop it on his head. Look here.
Gabriel, arriba.
See there? That's the gear oil.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Listo.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's a special gear oil.
Okay.
All right. So it's not oil.
Okay.
It's a gear oil. It's thick.
Okay.
So
Not motor
Yeah.
oil. It's
Yeah.
like, okay.
so that all you're gonna do is look at. There's no maintenance on that.
No maintenance. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So we don't have to touch that out.
You don't have to touch that at all.
Okay.
All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook your battery up, and then we're going to go back on the back side, and we're going to talk about everything that we talked about this. Oh, a 2-inch ball,
Right here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
and it's got a wheel that goes on there. So I had to pull it out and we'll put the wheel on. I got the wheel in the truck.
Okay.
But this is your hookup. I got this taped on there. I just do that. I tape that up because, I've been driving for the last 3 hours. I would hate that thing is dragging on me.
Yes.
And what happens now, it'll drag all the way down. Then it's not like replacing it. I got to buy the whole new doggone cord.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just do that for that. But this here's a really good hitch. Once you get it on there, this here will come up.
Uh-huh.
All right, that locks down on that. It's a really good hitch. We changed this over a couple 3 years ago. Solid hitch.
Okay.
Yep. And normally this thing is not going to go down, push down if it's not on there right.
Okay.
Okay, so that's a really good hitch for you.
Cada
Okay.
3 años hay que cambiarlo.
Yeah.
No.
So now what we're going to do, we're going to hook up your battery. This is the way they ship it out. This is in shipping mode. There's nothing that's hooked up because, like, if we had to ship this out, you can't have it shipped out with a battery and everything hooked up.
Okay.
But the antifreeze. So I'm gonna hook this up for you.
Okay.
Just give me a second.
Then it's-
Okay.